Hey everyone! Welcome back to ABC Hosting, your go-to channel for all things hosting, web, and tech made simple. So, tell me, are you tired of your current hosting provider? Maybe your website is running slow, downtime is becoming too frequent, or support is just, well, not supportive anymore. Then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to migrate your website from one hosting provider to another, step by step, even if you're not a tech expert. Let's make the move smooth and safe. Before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly talk about why you might want to migrate. Better performance and speed. Improved customer support. More storage or bandwidth. Need for offshore or DMCA ignored hosting. Security and control. If you're facing any of these issues, it's a good enough reason to make the move. All right, step 1. Back up your website. This is your safety net in case anything goes wrong. Depending on your CMS, like WordPress, you can use plugins like All-in-One WP Migration or Updraft Plus. Or manually backup files via FTP, plus export your database from PMI-admin. Always make sure you download your files and keep them stored securely. Step 2. Choose your new hosting provider. This is a very important decision. Look for reliability, uptime guarantee, customer support, DMCA ignored or offshore hosting if you're hosting sensitive content, scalability and pricing. And that's where I personally recommend QloudHost. I've used it, tested it, and I've been recommending it to my clients too. QloudHost is known for its 100% DMCA ignored hosting, lightning-fast offshore VPS, and uninterrupted service, especially for users who want freedom over their content without the fear of takedowns. Whether you're running a blog, media site, adult platform, or anything that requires reliable offshore infrastructure, QloudHost gets the job done, and it does it well. Super fast. Great support, affordable pricing, and no nonsense with sudden suspensions. I've dropped the link to QloudHost in the description below. Definitely check them out. Step 3. Now it's time to upload your website to the new host. If you did a manual backup, upload your files via cPanel's File Manager or FTP. Import your database using PMI-admin. Reconnect your config files like wp-config, pp in WordPress. If you're using a CMS plugin, simply use their import tool on your new host. Step 4. Update your domain's DNS settings. Log into your domain registrar, like GoDaddy, Namecheap, etc., and point the domain to the name servers of your new hosting provider, in this case, QloudHost's DNS. DNS changes might take up to 24-48 hours to propagate, so don't worry if your site doesn't show up instantly. Step 5. Once DNS is set, it's time to test your site. Check all pages. Test on mobile and desktop. Test contact forms, login pages, etc. Make sure everything is smooth and no data is lost. Once everything's working, you can go ahead and cancel your old hosting plan if you no longer need it. Make sure everything's properly migrated before doing this. And there you go, your website is now successfully migrated. If this video helped you out, then please give it a like and share it with anyone else who's planning to switch their hosting provider. Don't forget to subscribe to ABC Hosting for more simplified tech tips, hosting guides, and honest reviews. Got questions or still stuck somewhere in the migration process? Drop your comments below. I personally reply to each one of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep hosting smart.